Well, it's time for some inspiration on this Wednesday morning. I believe that entrepreneurship is the future. Not only is it a great way to start a business, be your own boss, but also create opportunities for others. It's also a great pathway to financial freedom, and that's exactly the case with Lamo Solar.
Solar energy is the way of the future, and it's also helping to create a future for electrical engineer and CEO of Lamo Solar, Chipvumo Sikwivilu.
I have been a volunteer and director for a non-profit organization called Thusanani Foundation since its inception in 2010. And today, Lamo Solar has partnered with Thusanani Foundation in rolling out training for renewable energy skills, with specific focus in the design, installation, maintenance, and operation of solar systems. When we started, that was the idea to roll out more solutions that would power up Africa. And so we began to service the residential market, the commercial market, and the industrial market. And we tried to find a product that would be affordable, that would be reliable, but that would also deliver the value that we wanted to deliver at the onset. We have since evolved now to focus on smaller distributed systems, which are portable, which you can easily deploy in some of the most remote of terrains where the national utility provider, Eskom, is unable to bring the actual connectivity or transmission lines. What inspired us to start Lamo Solar was that we were exposed to some of the traditional ways of generating electricity when we were studying electrical engineering at Wits University. And so when we came across a topic that was renewable energy, talking about this new form of energy, a source of energy that is sustainable, a source of energy that doesn't harm our life and our climate and our environment, we thought this is something we'd like to kind of learn and grow with.
Chipvumo was still completing his undergraduate degree when the business was established, and his energy continues to inspire top-quality work from his team.
What makes Lamo Solar particularly different to all its competitors within the market is that we have a very energy-intensive team. So this helps us substantially when we're working on our sites, because no two sites are ever the same. And when you get to site, there's always challenges that you need to kind of solve immediately hands-on as you're working. For us to gain traction in the market, we needed to gain trust from people that were potential clients to our solutions. So we needed to cut our margins extremely low at the onset, just so we could get our foot in and prove to not only our clients but the world that we are able to deliver on our word. When we started the business, there was a lot of fear amongst our peers, amongst the guys who wanted to do this new startup or work for this new venture, which didn't even have a dime in its name. So for example, we needed to buy our first drill machine after we sourced our first client. So you can almost immediately forget about remuneration and salaries. This continued for almost a year, where none of us was earning a decent salary. It was mere stipends just to get along. Fortunately, we had motivated individuals who were willing to steer the ship from the beginning and to see it to its logical end.
The business has grown steadily thanks to smart decisions, and it's a point of pride that Chipvumo leads from within the team.
To be a successful entrepreneur has been an area of conversation and debate across many sectors for many, many years. Entrepreneurs should inherently be comfortable with the fact that people fail, that we fail every single day in whatever that we do. So you need to be resilient and have a thick skin, more and above everything, because it's common for entrepreneurs to face challenges at inception. It's common for everyone. It's not unique to one particular business. So one should draw inspiration from it instead of allowing it to beat them down.
Working for Lamo Solar has been such a great experience. And then at first I really knew nothing at all, but then these guys were very welcoming. Now at least I know a lot of things since I've started working with Lamo Solar. My responsibility are to take care of wiring, and I've learned a lot, and then there's more that I need to learn with Lamo Solar.
I'd advise young entrepreneurs to believe in themselves first, work extremely hard, read as much as they possibly can on whatever solutions they want to provide, and own it and run with it with other like-minded people. Partnerships have been amazing for us, and working with people has delivered a lot of value. So we put a lot of emphasis in working together with other like-minded people to achieve a common goal.
Running a business can be a way to engineer a path to success, and as this entrepreneur has learnt, it takes dedication and good people to help light the way.